Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Rahul Phate's innovation, where the concept of herbs meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Anazoom Serum. Anazoom Arginine Pentothenate serum contains arginine. Arginine is an amino acid which relaxes the blood vessels and also improves the flow of blood to the scalp and hair follicles and supports hair growth. It is an excellent pH balancing serum for damaged scalp and hair. It provides acidic conditioning of the scalp and hair and helps in reducing dryness and brittleness of hair. Anazoom serum contains niacinamide, a water-soluble form of vitamin B3 that helps to transport blood and oxygen to the scalp and hair follicles. It is further enriched with sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a stable form of vitamin C. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate helps significant elongation of hair shafts in isolated hair follicles. It is further treated with aloe juice, glycine and glycerin, which helps to keep the hair follicles in a better hydrated form, and this avoids shrinkage of the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Anazoom serum is one of the best hair products for one and all for beautiful scalp and hair. Order now from the link below in the description. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe.